In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Windows 10 login password if you've forgotten it and still have access to your computer. First, a really important note: you cannot simply view your existing Windows password in plain text from inside the system. What we can do is reset it or confirm the account details you used to sign in. I'll walk you through the safest and most common way to do that. On most Windows 10 PCs, you sign in with a Microsoft account. That's the email address you see on the login screen under your name. If you're already signed in, let's first confirm which account you're using. Click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen, then select the Settings icon, which looks like a little gear. In the Settings window, go to Accounts. At the top of this page, you'll see your name and the email address linked to your Windows sign-in. This is the account whose password you need to recover or reset. Now, once you know the correct email address, you'll reset the password through Microsoft's official recovery page. Open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Forgot Password page. In the box that appears, type the same email address you just confirmed in your account settings, then continue. Microsoft will ask how you'd like to verify your identity. Typically, you'll see options like receiving a code by email or text. Depending on what you set up previously, choose the option you recognize. Then check that email inbox or your phone for the security code. Type the code into the verification page and continue. After verification, Microsoft will prompt you to create a new password. Choose something strong and unique, and avoid reusing old passwords. When you're done, confirm it and save. Now go back to your Windows 10 login screen. If you're already signed in, you can sign out or simply restart your computer. When the login screen appears, enter the new password you just created. If everything was done correctly, Windows should accept the new password and log you in. If you're using a local account instead of a Microsoft account, the process is a bit different and usually involves password reset questions or a reset disk you created earlier. In that case, follow the prompts on the login screen under the Reset Password link. Take your time with each step. Double-check the email address you're using, and keep your new password somewhere safe so you don't lose access again.